All right, so here today's review is the rechargeable table lamp, and these things are pretty cool. We originally bought them for my daughter's dorm room, but we like them so much we bought them for this little table. All you got to do is touch the top and they come on. And they've got 3 different colors, or 3 different color temperatures. And you can also dim them by holding your finger on it, on the button. So simple, and it goes down, take your finger off, you can bring it back up. So pretty cool, pretty simple to use. I mean, then you just touch them to go off, and they come with their own wire to charge it and plugs in the bottom of it. Takes 3 to 5 hours to charge fully. You can get pretty much 12 hours, 13 hours on a full charge. So they're perfect for leaving on just a little bit at night or whatever, or like we use them, my daughter uses them in her dorm, and they are perfect for studying. She puts it on her desk when she's studying, she just turns it on, taps it, turns it off when she's done. So that's the rechargeable table lamp. So all in all, they're a great little deal.